There are many camping table products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping tables from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table. Rating 4.5. The KingCamp Aluminum Large Desktop Area, 53.5 times 27.5 inches, provides comfortable space for 4 to 6 people, with a triangle stent design for added leg room. At 27.5 inches height, this folding camping table is lightweight and portable, weighing only 18.3 pounds, and folding down to 35 x 8.2 x 7 inches, making it easy to carry and store in most car trunks. The included carry bag with a handle adds to its convenience. This folding camping table is constructed from thicker aluminum alloy with an anodized treatment, making it rust-free, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean. The tabletop features a triangular steel structure design with metal material contact points, ensuring stable use even in rugged outdoor conditions. Number 4. Camping Aluminum Folding Table. Rating 4.5. The bamboo board is environmentally friendly and pretty durable, with waterproof coating and scratch resistance, anti-aging UV treatment, and assure it a longer service life. This adjustable height camping table weighs only 9.26 pounds. Aluminum brackets are less prone to rust than normal steel. The weight of aluminum is lighter than steel, so the aluminum frame is perfect for your outdoor activities. This folding camping table is suitable for 1 to 2 person use. The thickness of the bamboo board is 0.5 in. This camping table with a square aluminum tube design increases the weight capacity more than the round one, and the triangular structure of the leg strengthens the stability of the table. Number 3. Wakeman Camp Table. Rating 4.7. Equipped with a tabletop as well as a lower shelf for additional storage, the table offers plenty of room to set snacks, plates, phones, sunglasses, or anything else you like. With 4 mesh cup holders, this table will securely hold any drink. This camp table is perfect for holding snacks, drinks, and personal items anywhere you go. It's great for picnics, days at the beach or park, camping, hiking and backpacking, bonfires, sporting events, tailgating, and more. Number 2. Outdoor Compact Camp Table. Rating 4.7. The lightweight camping side table is ideal for outdoor activities like picnics, tailgating, river fishing, and road trips. Metal side table seats 2 people while dining, but can also be used as an outdoor folding side table. The telescoping leg design allows this full-size one-piece folding outdoor side table to collapse easily and fold compactly, perfect for cooking, grilling, dining, and games. This camping table boasts a sturdy frame and a tabletop, capable of supporting up to 60 pounds. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Table. Rating 4.8. Brings the kitchen outside with enough counter and storage space to accommodate camp kitchen equipment like stoves and grills, cooking utensils, and cookware. Quality construction. One-piece powder-coated steel outdoor table frame easily unfolds to reveal a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. The portable grill table features a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, 48-pound weight limit, for camp stoves. The outdoor prep table also includes a lower rack 35-pound weight limit for dry goods storage. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.